Hello students, this is the next video for equation of straight line. In this video we explain how to write the equation of straight line if you know 2 points. Okay, if you know these 2 points, how to find the equation of straight line. So let's see. Suppose let x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 be 2 points on the straight line. Okay, so I can write A and B, no problem. Then slope of the straight line is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, then by point slope form we can write the equation of straight line as what we have point as what is our point is x1 y1. Suppose you can take x2 y2 also, no problem, but suppose x1 y1 is your point. And what is the slope? This is point. What is slope? Slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, so let px comma y be any point on the line, then y minus y1 to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 x minus x1 is the required equation of straight line. Okay, this form is called 2-point form.